Welcome to another one of our videos. We have a special treat for you today. We're here visiting a 4-bedroom villa here at the Anantara Iko, which is possibly one of the most luxurious villas you'll find here in Mauritius. So we're going to give you a tour, so let's go in and take a look around. So as you're coming into the villa, you've got your own private outdoor garden area. As you come into the villa, we'll just go through these main doors here into the main villa area. And as you can see, as you come into this grand hall area, you've got a lovely chandelier that you have on the table, big open space, lovely double doors out into the garden, which we'll go there in a little bit. But if you come through this way with me, you have your own living area around here. Massive couch for all your friends and family that you bring in with you. You've also got a massive dining table. Just to let you know, these villas are mainly sold on a bed and breakfast basis. There's only supplements for half board or all inclusive. If you do want to stay in one of these villas, come through to the kitchen with me. So in this area, you wouldn't generally cook, you'd have a chef and they'd come in here and cook most of your meals for you. You have a very own wine cooler in here, which has loads of different varieties of wines. You don't need to worry about the cooker because your chef will deal with all that stuff. I'm sure if you're staying in the villa, you're not going to cook yourself. The mini bar, probably one of the biggest mini bars I've ever seen in my life. We're not going to go out there because of the noise, but just out here you have a utility room with a washing machine and an area where you can dry your clothes, which is pretty handy. And you've got snacks and all that stuff in here. So come out here, we'll take you into the private garden area. Where we are here, this is your private oasis garden area. You have your own swimming pool, plunge pool. It even has, just past this swimming pool, is your own little private garden area. You've got a lovely sunbed you can lay on, got your 4 sun lounges, lovely area. You've even got a dining table just under here in the shade, just by where the bedrooms are. We haven't even got to the bedrooms yet. There's 4 bedrooms here. There's another little seating area and a balcony just above with its own seating area. But the pool and the gardens area, absolutely gorgeous. They're stunning. And if you had this villa, I wouldn't blame you if you didn't even leave the villa because it is absolutely stunning. I certainly wouldn't leave the villa. If you come follow me, I say follow, the next part we're going to go is follow the 2 downstairs bathrooms, but the first one is going to be the first master bedroom, so let's go. Oh, and did I mention how nice this seating area is and the dining area, by the way? And this gorgeous lampshade as you come through. It's like a home from home. You'd probably dream little villa you'd want to buy anywhere else. So as we come through here, this is the master bedroom. Now, the master bedroom, great storage space. Each bedroom has their own safe. First of all, you've got great storage in each of these. The safe will be in the last one here, and it does include a laundry bag. It'll have prices on there for laundry. And if you come in here, right, so this is the main bathroom area, which is absolutely gorgeous. You've got a his and her sink, massive bath, and you even have a bonus if you're staying here, outdoor shower. If you've never showered outdoors before, I'd highly recommend it. It is the best. We did it in the Maldives and it's just mind-blowing how amazing this is. Obviously you've got your toilet and in here you have your stand-up shower, so we'll go through to the master suite. Here is the master bedroom. The beds in the Anantara are probably one of the most comfortable beds I've ever slept in on holiday. You have a TV area, you've got a workout area and a little sit down with a reading light if you want to read at night. And obviously just through these doors just here, you have a lovely view of your garden area and the pool, if you want to go into the pool, of course. So this is the master bedroom. We'll go through to the next room, which is a twin bedroom. So let's go over. So just before we go through, we've got a toilet just here. Stairs, obviously, to go up to the other 2 bedrooms. This is just a storage area, so there's nothing under here. There's an ironing board if you want it, but you don't need to know about that. So this is bedroom number 2. This is the twin bedroom. Safe in here. More storage space in this other wardrobe, plenty of storage space and coat hangers to hang up all your clothes. And obviously in the twin bedroom you've got 2, they're pretty much twin double beds. You've got glorious lighting, the architecture's great, you've got a TV and you also have a little station where you want to, if you want to read a book or anything like that. We'll go into the bathroom. Now this little bathroom is going to be similar to the other twin bedroom upstairs. So you've got 1 sink, you've got your shower in here and then you have your toilet just here behind. So we'll head upstairs now for the other 2 bedrooms. So as you come up the stairs, if you come here to the left, now this is a mirror copy of the one downstairs, bedroom number 3. Safe in this wardrobe, more wardrobe space with plenty of coat hangers. As you can see, the layout's very different, but you've got a bit more light because you're higher up than the walls. So you've got lovely twin beds. I'll show you the bathroom again quickly. So as you can see, the bathroom is exactly the same layout. You've got 1 sink, your toilet in here, and then you have your shower in here, very similar to the twin bedroom number 2 down below. So we'll go across the hallway and we'll go see the second bedroom, which is a mirror from the master bedroom down below. And welcome to bedroom number 4. So we'll start in the bedroom first. So you've got obviously your own bedroom master. It's a second master bedroom area. Pretty much the same layout as downstairs. All the beds are super comfy, they're all the same. You have a workout area if you want to work, do your laptop. You've got your reading area here, and most importantly, you've got a lovely balcony area if you want to sit there, have a drink from your minibar, and just have a look into the gardens. Absolutely spectacular. And also just behind me you have the TV in the room. So that concludes our room tour of the 4-bedroom villa. So there's 8 villas here at the Anantara, and they consist of 4-bedroom and 2-bedroom villas. So if you want to have a look, I hope this video has helped you if you're looking to book a villa here at the Anantara. We've had an absolute pleasure. Thank you, Nicholas, from the marketing and social media team, for letting us have a view of the villa for you. And if you like this video, please smash the like button. It helps our video massively, and it helps push these videos to other travellers like yourself. And if you're new and you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and follow along with our Mauritius series, and we'll see you again for the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye.